Looking further into the future, we enter the realm of what sounds like science fiction. Researchers like Robert Freitas are seriously designing medical nanorobots, machines small enough to travel through our capillaries. These could even perform surgeries from within or deliver drugs with ultimate precision. Even more astounding is the concept of cell repair machines, which could theoretically fix damaged cells at the molecular level, reversing injury and disease. The medical applications are vast. Nanoparticles are already being used as non-viral vectors for gene therapy, offering hope for genetic disorders. They are powerful antimicrobial agents with silver nanoparticles fighting wound infections. And they are being used in neuroscience to both interface with neurons and to help guide stem cells to become new nerve cells. The impact of nanotechnology extends far beyond medicine. In the food industry, it's creating smarter packaging to reduce spoilage, nanosensors to instantly detect contaminants, and even the concept of interactive food that can deliver specific nutrients when your body needs them. It's also a powerful tool for environmental remediation, particularly for water pollution. Nanoparticles can be used to detoxify industrial waste in groundwater, make the process of turning seawater into drinking water more efficient, and create filters so fine they can actually trap viruses, providing a new level of water safety.